Are you passionate about graphic design, coding, or language learning? Do you have expertise in these fields and want to share your knowledge with others? Then online course creation might be the perfect opportunity for you. Creating an online course is a fantastic way to share your skills and knowledge with a global audience. Whether you're an experienced professional or a talented hobbyist, you can create a course that teaches others the skills they need to succeed in graphic design, coding, or language learning. The first step in creating an online course is to identify your target audience. Who do you want to teach? What are their skill levels and areas of interest? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your course content to meet their specific needs and provide them with valuable and relevant information. Next, you'll need to outline your course content. What skills and knowledge do you want to impart to your students? How will you structure your course to ensure maximum engagement and understanding? By carefully planning your course content, you can create a comprehensive and effective learning experience for your students. Once you have a clear outline, it's time to start creating your course materials. This may include video lectures, written tutorials, interactive quizzes, and other resources that will help your students learn and practice their new skills. You can also consider incorporating real-life examples and projects to give students hands-on experience in graphic design, coding, or language learning. After creating your course materials, you'll need to choose a platform for hosting your online course. There are many options available, each with its own features and benefits. Whether you prefer a dedicated online course platform or a learning management system, you'll want to choose a platform that is user-friendly and provides a positive learning experience for your students. Finally, it's time to launch your online course and start promoting it to potential students. You can use social media, email marketing, and other promotional strategies to reach your target audience and attract students to your course. By effectively marketing your course, you can increase enrollment and help more people benefit from your expertise. In conclusion, creating an online course to teach skills like graphic design, coding, or language learning is a rewarding and impactful endeavor. By identifying your audience, outlining your course content, creating comprehensive materials, choosing a suitable platform, and effectively promoting your course, you can create a successful online teaching experience that benefits both you and your students. So why wait? Start creating your online course today and share your passion for graphic design, coding, or language learning with the world.